Have you ever held a stone in your hand and wondered about its story? It seems impossible, doesn't it, that a simple rock could hold secrets from a world utterly alien to our own. But it can. Deep within the Earth's layers, countless stones whisper tales of a time when giants roamed the land. This was a world without us, a world before cities and roads, a world ruled by creatures of unimaginable scale and variety. This was the age of the dinosaurs. They were the undisputed masters of our planet for a period so long it almost defies comprehension. A vibrant and sometimes violent dynasty that left an indelible mark upon the very fabric of life. Our journey today is one of discovery. To truly grasp the story of the dinosaurs, we must first adjust our sense of time. Our own lives are measured in decades, our history in centuries, but the dinosaurs' story unfolds across a canvas of millions of years. Their era, known as the Mesozoic, began around 252 million years ago and ended 186 million years later, about 66 million years before our human ancestors. This immense period is divided into three distinct chapters: Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Each period had its own unique climate, its own arrangement of continents, its own cast of dinosaur species. The first dinosaurs in the Triassic were relatively small, not yet the dominant life form. The word dinosaur often conjures an image of colossal size, and for good reason. No land animals before or since have ever reached the sheer scale of the largest sauropods. Imagine an Argentinosaurus, weighing up to 100 tons and stretching over 30 meters from head to tail, longer than a blue whale. Its neck alone allowed it to graze from the tops of the tallest trees, like a living, breathing crane. To support such immense weight, its legs were like massive pillars, and its heart must have been an incredibly powerful pump to send blood all the way to its distant brain. These were the true giants, living mountains of flesh and bone that literally shook the ground as they walked. Yet the story of the dinosaurs is not only one of giants. For every colossal herbivore, there were dozens of smaller species, each carved by evolution for a specific niche. Consider the Compsognathus, a dinosaur no bigger than a chicken, which darted through the undergrowth hunting for insects and small lizards. Or the Velociraptor, a creature often misrepresented in popular culture. Far from being a towering monster, the real Velociraptor was about the size of a turkey, a swift and intelligent predator covered in a coat of feathers. It likely hunted in packs, using its famous sickle-shaped claw not for slashing, but for pinning down its struggling prey. How can we possibly know so much about creatures that vanished 66 million years ago? The answer lies buried beneath our feet. We know about dinosaurs because they left behind clues, extraordinary clues called fossils. A fossil is the preserved remnant or trace of an ancient organism, a whisper from the past turned to stone. Most commonly, these are the hard parts of an animal, such as its bones, teeth, or claws. When a dinosaur died in the right conditions, near a river or a lake, its body could be quickly buried by layers of mud and sand. Over millions of years, pressure and chemistry mineralized the bone, replacing its organic material with rock. Finding these fossils is the first step in a long and painstaking process. Paleontologists, the scientists who study ancient life, are detectives of deep time. They travel to remote, eroded landscapes and scan the ground for fossilized bone. Using tools ranging from jackhammers to delicate dental picks, they carefully excavate the bones from their rocky tomb. For 186 million years, the dinosaurs reigned supreme. The end of the Cretaceous was one of the most catastrophic events in our planet's history. About 66 million years ago, an asteroid at least 10 kilometers wide slammed into Earth, striking with the force of billions of atomic bombs. The impact left the Chicxulub crater, now hidden beneath seafloor and jungle. Immediate effects were apocalyptic. Earthquakes, continent-spanning tsunamis, and searing blast waves. Dust, soot, and sulfur filled the sky, spreading globally, plunging Earth into a prolonged artificial twilight. Photosynthesis faltered, ecosystems unraveled. Plants, herbivores, then carnivores. Only the small and adaptable had a chance. The world that emerged from the long darkness of the impact winter was a quieter, emptier place. But the dinosaurs are not entirely lost. Their legacy is etched in stone and alive around us. Modern birds are the direct descendants of feathered theropod dinosaurs. Look at a pigeon or a robin. You are seeing a living dinosaur. Feathers, hollow bones, and brooding, all inherited from Mesozoic ancestors. Their story inspires wonder, fuels discovery, and teaches resilience in a changing world. So the next time a bird takes flight, remember, it is a living echo of a lost world, and a testament to life's incredible, unpredictable, and magnificent journey.